Yogi Adityanath's minister Rampati Shastri caused massive embarrassment to the UP Chief Minister when his utter lack of knowledge about GST was exposed. Rampati Shastri, upon being asked the full form of GST, was not able to answer and kept evading the question. Let's first listen into what he said.
जीएसटी क्या लागू होने वाला है, 1 तारीख से लागू होने वाला है, तो जीएसटी का फुल फॉर्म बता दीजिए, क्या है जीएसटी का फुल फॉर्म?
जीएसटी का फुल फॉर्म है
गवर्नमेंट सर्विस टैक्स।
नहीं पता। चलिए ठीक है,
पता है उसका मैं पढ़ रहा हूँ।
गुड्स एंड
सर्विस टैक्स।
And we are now being joined by our correspondent Nilanshu on the phone line. Nilanshu, at a point where even a child would know what the full form of GST is, here this minister does not know the full form of GST when such a major economic reform is going to be carried out in the country.
Well, that's right, and shockingly, this minister was telling the people about the benefits of GST, about the long-term importance of GST and how traders are going to be benefited from GST. And when he was asked about the full form of GST by reporters, he was completely silenced because he didn't know the importance of GST, the full form of GST. And shockingly, 4 workshops have been conducted in UP by the Chief Minister Yogi Adityanath and by the UP Assembly Speaker Hriday Narayan Dikshit about the importance of GST. And this minister participated in all the 4 events, but still he doesn't know the full form of GST. GST is going to be rolled out from tomorrow, and he was there at Maharajganj to tell people about the GST, but he didn't know even the full form of GST. So this shows that some of the ministers who are even participating, who are even showing that they are trying to work, are very ignorant. And as you rightly said, that GST is a very major economic reform which is going to be implemented from tomorrow. And in UP, 4 workshops have been conducted for GST to tell even ministers and MLAs about GST so that they can go and tell the Aam Janta about the importance of GST. And he was sent by UP government yesterday at Maharajganj to tell people about GST, but shockingly, he did not even know the full form of GST.
Nilanshu, you continue to stay with us. Let's again listen into what Rampati Shastri said.
जीएसटी क्या लागू होने वाला है, 1 तारीख से लागू होने वाला है, तो जीएसटी का फुल फॉर्म बता दीजिए, क्या है जीएसटी का फुल फॉर्म?
जीएसटी का फुल फॉर्म है
गवर्नमेंट सर्विस टैक्स।
नहीं पता। चलिए ठीक है,
पता है उसका मैं पढ़ रहा हूँ।
गुड्स एंड सर्विस टैक्स।
Nilanshu, you know, forget about the implications of GST and how GST would affect the country. This man doesn't even know the full form of GST. I mean, not only is it embarrassing, but such lack of knowledge when 4 workshops have been held only to make aware what GST is all about.
Well, that's right. Even the Chief Minister Yogi Adityanath has been very serious over GST. He has himself participated in many GST sessions. He has himself held workshops for 3-4 hours since last month, and all the ministers and MLAs have participated in that workshop, and everyone has been told very thoroughly about GST. So a big question is, what was this Minister of Social Justice, Rampati Shastri, doing in these workshops? And how could he go and tell people about the importance of GST when he did not even know the full form of GST? So definitely it's a big embarrassment for the BJP. It is also a big embarrassment for the UP government, which has held 4 sessions of GST, and its minister does not even know what GST is.